How much JavaScript do you need to know to use Node.js? As a beginner, it's hard to get to a point where you are confident enough in your programming abilities. While learning to code, you might also be confused at where does JavaScript end and where Node.js begins and vice versa. What is recommended to learn before diving deep with Node.js? Lexical structure, expressions, data types, classes, variables, functions, this operator, arrow functions, loops, scopes, arrays, template literals, strict mode, ECMAScript 2015 ES6, and beyond. Asynchronous JavaScript. With those concepts in mind, you are well on your road to become a proficient JavaScript developer. In both the browser and in Node. Asynchronous programming. The following concepts are also key to understand asynchronous programming, which is one of the fundamental parts of Node.js.